How to add gaming hub to lock screen shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. After click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen. After click on lock screen, so if you want to add gaming hub shortcut, so click on app and click on no app. After click on no app, click on this plus icon, scroll down. If you want to add gaming hub shortcut app, click on gaming hub and click on done. You will see gaming hub app is gaming hub shortcut is add on lock screen. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add gaming hub to lock screen shortcut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.